Meghan Markle et le prince Harry se sont à nouveau impliqués dans la politique américaine en écrivant une lettre aux dirigeants du G20. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have written an open letter urging G20 leaders to ensure vaccine supply for all nations. Within their letter, Prince Harry, 37, and Meghan Markle, 40, claim that promise of vaccine donation from these countries are not reaching the globe most vulnerable. The Sussex joined force with the Director General, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus to issue the correspondence on the eve of the G20 summit. Within the piece, they refer to access to the COVID-19 vaccine being a fundamental human right. It comes ahead of the G20 summit this weekend which SES leader from the world's richest nation meeting in Rome. It is anticipated that environmental issue will be prominent on the agenda for G20, but the recovery from the pandemic is also likely to feature in discussion between world leaders. In their letter, the trio said, when the leader of the world's wealthiest nation met at the G7 summit in June, they collectively announced that 1 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccine would be sent to low and middle-income countries to help vaccinate the world. Pharmaceutical companies have pledged almost the same. Yet, as several nations still don't even have enough vaccine for their own health workers, the world is left asking, where are the doses? The couple also adds that every discarded dose of the vaccine should outrage us all. They said, each dose represents a real person, a mother, father, daughter, or son, who could have been protected. Each of us come from very different places, backgrounds, and life experience, but we share a common goal, to tackle global inequity. The open document concludes with the following: there are many crises that you, the steward of our planet, must grapple with this weekend: the climate emergency, the state of our global economy, our commitment to multilateralism. Yet, in many ways, making headway on these priorities depends on whether we can beat this pandemic. Cooperation of historic proportion is the only solution. Life literally depends on it. It comes after Meghan issued a letter to US Congress leaders to advocate for paid leave for all parents. She drew on her status as a mother of two within the campaign piece and issued a call to ensure that millions of American families can access guaranteed paid leave. The letter was written on Sussex-edited paper and was signed off with Meghan's Duchess title. However, it emerged on Thursday that US President Joe Biden has not included paid family leave in his $1,75 trillion, $1,27 trillion, spending plan. The letter the couple have penned alongside Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, which is published on the website, is not the first instance that SES them campaigning for vaccine equity. Last month, Harry and Meghan appeared on stage in New York for the Global Citizen Live event where the couple called on pharmaceutical companies to waive their intellectual property right on COVID vaccine as the pandemic was becoming a human rights crisis. Prior to this, the Sussex wrote an open letter in May, calling on the chief executive of pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer, Moderna and AstraZeneca and urging them to redouble their support for the unsponsored COVAX program. The COVAX scheme intend to establish fair access to COVID-19 vaccine for both poor and rich nations.